Oh, New York cheesecake. It's not just a dessert, it's a statement. Dense, creamy, with just the right amount of sweetness to make you feel like you've earned it. But homemade? Now we're talking pure joy baked into every bite. The first pain point of cheesecake making, the crust. Ever had one crumble apart the second you sliced into it? Yeah, we're avoiding that. A pro tip, use finely crushed graham crackers, melted butter, and a pinch of sugar. Precision is key. Mix it until it feels like damp sand. Press the mixture firmly into a springform pan, and I mean firmly, like you're trying to prove a point. A flat-bottomed glass works wonders for this. Bake it for 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit because no one wants a soggy crust ruining the experience. Now, the filling. Oh boy, here's where it all comes together. You'll need 3 8-ounce packages of cream cheese, full fat only. Let's not kid ourselves with lighter options. Room temperature is non-negotiable unless you like lumpy batter, which you don't. Sugar? Yes, 1 cup, and don't skimp. Cream it into your cheese first. This step makes everything smooth like butter. Add 3 large eggs, one by one. Why one at a time? Because everything in baking is about balance and pace. Here's the secret weapon. Sour cream, a cup of it. This adds tanginess and richness that hits like a flavor bomb. Oh, and a dash of vanilla extract. And yes, use the good stuff, not that fake synthetic nonsense. The next pain point, cracking. Let me tell you, cracks are the bane of cheesecake existence. They're inevitable if you skip one crucial step, a water bath. Wrap your springform pan in foil, place it in a larger pan, and pour boiling water around it. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. The goal isn't to have it set solid, it should still jiggle like Jell-O in the center. Overbaking is another rookie mistake. Pull it out when it still looks slightly underdone. It'll finish setting as it cools. Refrigeration is where the magic happens. Cheesecake must chill for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. This isn't optional. That time lets all those flavors fuse into the silky, mouth-watering goodness we crave. Toppings? Go simple. Berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or a light drizzle of caramel. Don't overthink it. You want the cheesecake to stay the star of the show. And it will. Trust me on that. Cut it clean with a hot knife. Pro tip, wipe the blade between cuts. It's annoying but necessary for those pristine slices. Serve it up, hear the gasps, and watch everyone realize that yes, you really are that person who makes perfect cheesecake. So, there you have it, the joy of baking a New York cheesecake. Effort? Sure. Worth it? Absolutely. Remember, this isn't just about dessert, it's about mastering something iconic. And trust me, your kitchen will never smell better.